Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you a quadruple unboxing. So we're actually unboxing 4 sneakers today. We are unboxing 2 Air Force Ones. We are checking out a luxury designer sneaker from the brand United Nude. And we are unboxing another Yeezy. Let's go! You guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you guys are missing out. We have 2 giveaways running right now. We're giving away a brand new Air Force One in your size, and we are actually also giving away a New Balance 990 Sport Leather Premium sneaker in size 9. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, follow me on Instagram, and then click the links of both giveaways down below so you can join both. Before we get to the vlog, I just want to give a quick shout out to our friends Rose Gold and Black. They are actually the sponsor of today's video. Rose Gold and Black is a premium accessory maker based out of Australia. They make excellent bracelets, necklaces, and now even watches for men. So if you guys are looking to level up your style by adding a few accessories like this amazing beaded bracelet that I got from them, the link will be down below to their website with a special 25% discount code just for you guys. They do ship to Manila from Australia, so if you do live in the Philippines, good news is that you can get your items directly from them. Let's jump right into the unboxing. First up, we have a brand new Air Force One which just dropped here in the Philippines. Guys, this is the Air Force One Premium 2 Jelly Jewel. It sounds weird, but it looks so kick-ass. So as you guys can see, it comes in that typical black Air Force One box with the embossed silver Air Force One logo here. And then you have the information of the sneaker along the side. I did go through the size, even though it is an Air Force One. While a lot of people actually suggest you go half a size down on the Air Force One, I usually keep it true to size because I love the extra room. It just makes it so much more comfortable. So let's get right into it. If you pop it open, first thing you see, the tissue paper with so many stars. That's the first one. But yeah, it has a lot of stars. And if you, oh wow, the sneaker just looks something else. I mean, take a look at that. It just looks crazy good. Now, I'll give you a quick rundown. The upper is actually made from black nubuck material. Very good nubuck material, not the messy kind. And then probably the most standout feature is that jelly swoosh that you guys have along the lateral and the medial side, as well as here as the back. Now, it does start with some sort of fuchsia, which transitions gradient-wise into a teal color. And that can be found on all 3, including the insole color. The fuchsia color extends over here to the outsole, and then you have the full air unit encased in this midsole. Now, the cute thing about it is the jelly material, because usually the swoosh is either embroidered, printed, or stitched. This one is literally like a 3D jelly material that you can, squish. It's kind of therapeutic if you can just keep pressing at it. It gives you that effect of a stress ball. But anyway, so that's the first sneaker that I wanted to unbox for you guys. This is the Nike Air Force One Jelly Jewel in black and fuchsia. Now, this one sold for a little over 6,700 pesos, $130 over at the Nike store in Greenbelt, but you can also get it from the Athlete's Foot over at Power Plant Mall in Rockwell. Next up, we have the OffWhite Nike Air Force One OG, the 10. Now, I actually had this already, but I sold it because I got it in size 11. This one is in the right size 12. So this is a perfect fit. I can abuse this. I can mercilessly beat this up without having any issue with my feet because the 11 was just too tight for me. So anyway, it comes in that traditional off-white carton box, the inverted box, and then you have the information here. So as you guys can see, it says there Air Force One Low, size 12. So let's just pop it open. It's the same tissue paper, you guys, that you have with Off-White and the Nike collaboration. Same inverted box with the Nike logo inside. Guys, this is the Off-White Nike Air Force One OG, the 10, dead stock. So this is brand new. Wow, it just looks so good. I mean, wow, take a look at that. So clean, so fresh. Ha! Definitely one of the best Air Force Ones that you guys can pick up today. I just love the padding, the deconstructed design, the suede area here along the laces. I mean, it's just really an amazing execution. an amazing vision, a deconstructed vision for the Air Force One. I mean, take a look at that swoosh. It's some sort of like plastic material that they used with the exaggerated stitching marks along the sides. So yeah, this one, guys, I will expect the full review of this one soon. I will put together like a more comprehensive review of the sneaker in the coming days ahead. Quick shout out to our friends 5Soles5 for hooking me up with this pair at a great deal. I will put a link down below to their Instagram account in case you guys are in the market for new hype kicks. Next is a sneaker from the brand United Nude. United Nude is actually a brand that became famous for their heels. So yeah, it's a ladies brand, or initially a ladies design brand, and they became famous for that. But they recently came out, or they've been focusing on coming out with more sneakers for men recently, and this is a pair that was sent over from them here in the Philippines. So there is a United Nude shop that you can find over at Resorts World. Resorts World, just across the airport of Naiya 3. So you should be able to find the shop if you guys are, find this particular pair interesting. So as you guys can see, the box is in all black, and it says there United Nude in silver. And at the back, it says there unitednude.com. Now, from the box itself, you can already tell that it is a premium brand. It is a luxury brand. They did not scrimp on the packaging, unlike a lot of sneaker brands that you guys see today. If you pop it open, you have your typical tissue paper, and this is what the sneaker looks like. This is actually called the Bo Easy Men in black and red. Now, what are the standout features of the shoe? It is a slip-on sneaker, so it is pretty easy to wear, and it is hella comfortable because of that thick white Eva foam midsole. I mean, take a look at that. That is thick. This is like the Eva's foam equivalent of the Adidas EQT Boost. Instead of Boost, you have a super thick EVA material here for the midsole. Now, it is elastic, so it's very stretchable, and you do get a very nice sock-like fit to it if you put it on. Now, what I love about the design is that it's just so easy to wear. I mean, take a look at it. It's black and white, and it has a red accent at the back, made from fantastic materials, and like what I mentioned earlier, it is hella comfortable. This one sells, I think, if I'm not mistaken, for a little over 10,000 pesos over at United Nude, over at Resorts World Manila. They do have a lot more of designs, and they have really nice backpacks. So if you guys have the time, and if you are in Resorts World, check them out, take a look at their sneakers, and then yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below of United Nude. Last but not the least, we have the Yeezy 700 V2 Static Part 2. Why is it Part 2? Because this is my second pair. Like what I told you guys, I love the sneakers so much that I was planning on doubling up. It took a while to find the perfect size. I did get it in like size 12. I wanted to get it in size 12.5 to get a little more allowance, and it was hella hard, super difficult to find a size 12.5 of this sneaker. Huge shout out again to 5Soles5 for hooking me up and getting me a great deal on this one. The prices of the Static V2 700s have been going up crazy recently. In fact, I saw some stores selling the size 12 at 30 to 32,000 pesos already here in the Philippines. So as you guys can see, it's your typical Yeezy 700 box. I did a full review on this one already, so I won't go through all the motions. If you guys haven't seen the full review yet, I will put a link down below. So here you have it. This is the Yeezy 700 V2 Static, one of the best Yeezys, in my opinion, that Kanye has ever made in the last few years. I love the futuristic design. I love the sleek look. I love how the reflective 3M material builds to the overall aesthetic and design of the shoe and doesn't take anything away from it, not being distracting or anything like that. This one, guys, like what I mentioned, has a full review up already on my vlog. I will put a link down below. Check it out if you guys haven't seen it yet. I also did the review of the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static Reflective. That one is also up on the vlog. Check it out. The link will also be down there. So those are the 4 sneakers that I wanted to unbox and share with you guys for today. I hope you're all having a fantastic weekend. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell so that you guys can be part of our amazing giveaways. Again, reminder, we have 2. I'm about to draw the winner of the Air Force One, so please do make sure that you guys are part of it when I draw the winners. Also, New Balance sneaker that's being raffled away, also pretty slick, pretty good. Definitely a great prize to have. Yeah, let's end it there. I hope you guys are all having a great weekend. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom!